Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class ninth, Unit number 6, Work and Energy. Today's our topic is energy. Energy is an important and fundamental concept in science. It links almost all the nature phenomena. When we say that a body has energy, we mean that it has the ability to do a work. Water running down the stream has the ability to do a work, so it possesses energy. The energy of a running water can use to run water mills or a water turbines. Energy exists on in various forms such as mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, and nuclear energy, and so on. Energy can be transferred from one place to another place, and we can say that energy cannot be destroyed. It can be changed from one place to another place, or you can say that another form to another form, one form to another form. Like you can see that the running water possesses energy, and similarly wind energy is used to move the boats वगैरह, sealing boats, and so on. So according to this, the definition of energy is a body possesses energy if it is capable to do a work. That is the definition of a energy. So here is the definition: a body possesses energy if it is capable to do a work. So next we will elaborate the mechanical energy today. And the mechanical energy possessed by a body is of a two types. One is a kinetic energy and the other one is a potential energy. So here mechanical energy have a two types. One is a kinetic energy and potential energy. Today we will discuss about the kinetic energy. So first of all, kinetic energy definition is that the energy of a body due to its motion is known as a kinetic energy. So the examples are simple. In our daily life we can say that moving air is called a wind, and we can use wind energy for doing various things. It drives windmills and pushes seaboards in rivers and oceans. Similarly, moving water in a river can carry a wooden logs through a large distance, and wind can also be used to drive the turbines of a generating electricity. Thus, a moving body has a kinetic energy because it can do work due to its motion, and the body stops moving as soon as all of its kinetic energy is used up. So, here is the definition. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called its kinetic energy, and its kinetic energy formula is K is equal to 1 over 2 mv square. And here the formula is kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 mv square. So in exams there a question arises that prove that kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 mv square. So for the proof of this, we solve this equation by the simple method. So we will prove that kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 m square. Suppose consider we have a body of a mass m moving with a velocity mass m, velocity of velocity v. The body stops after moving through a some distance s due to some opposing such a force as a force of friction acting on it. The distance by object is covered. Yes, clear? Okay, now the body possesses kinetic energy and is capable to do a work against opposing a force until all of its kinetic energy is used up. So kinetic energy of a body is equal to work done by it due to motion. So definition is again clear that the kinetic energy of a body is known as the energy possessed by a body due to its motion. That is known as a kinetic energy. So kinetic energy can be written in the form of this: work done, force into displacement. So we know that the initial velocity of the body is v and the final velocity of the body is 0 because it stops after some time. So now we know by the second law of motion as F is equal to ma. Clear? So by this we can find the acceleration, and such that acceleration will be like this, is equal to F over m, and negative sign will be over there. Since the motion is opposed, hence acceleration is a negative. Now we use, by using third equation of motion, we know that the third equation of motion, 2a s is equal to vf square minus vi square. Now we have the value of acceleration, final velocity and the initial velocity. By putting the values, we know that acceleration is equal to minus force over mass, vf is equal to 0 and vi is equal to v. So putting the values in equation, 2 minus f over m as like vf is 0 minus vi is equal to v. So that will be like this, minus 2 here, 0 square 0, minus v square minus v square. So minus 2 fs, m here is divided. When we take into the other side, it will be in the form of multiplication, minus mv square. So minus will be cut by this, 2 is multiplicative, so when we take into another side, it will be in the dividend form. So it can be written like this, 2 mv square. So that is a work done, 1 over 2 mv square. So work done is equal to the kinetic energy. We know that. So it is proved that kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 mv square. So this is our topic. I hope you all will be understand it easily.